Okay. Welcome to another day, keeping up with GU. And like we always do, we like to do our analysis, starting with the XY, trying to see where dollar is going to, because most of the currencies we are trading with evolve around the dollar. And keeping up with GU, we are just trying to see how the XY is moving, and then we'll see how we'll expect our moves on uh, the on Great British Pound USD. And I also want you to note that we are intraday traders. That means we only trade London session when we're using this type of analysis and this strategy on GU. So this is the XY. I'll just head straight to the 1 week to do a top-down analysis for you to understand how we get our entries every day, how we do it. Now on our trading plan, we want to see what is happening on GU. And looking at GU, we can see on the 1 week time frame, GU is on the downtrend, giving us sprinting a series of lower lows, right? And now we have our last swing low here and our swing high here, and so this level could be an area where the market could possibly reverse from in terms of looking at the market in a 1 week. So I'll just having this data on the 1 week, I'll just go straight to the 1 day time frame. And on the 1 day, what I do is this: on the 1 day I see where the market is currently at, and the market could be heading to a possible supply zone here, knowing fully where that this market is around a fair value gap at this level, and we are seeing some signs that and we are getting some signs in the market, some momentum coming in from the buyers that this area could be violated. So we can scale down the smaller, more time frame to see if we have a reason why the market is continuously pushing to the upside. So at this level, see the market prices got to this level whereby it's trying to violate that high at that level, because it's the last high we had. And this so could also be as a result of some fair value gaps that are sleeping here, and they could also act as imbalances in the market. And imbalance always acts like a timer where price will eventually get to at some point in time in the market. So we might see more push of price to the upside. Now, having this data on the 4 hour time frame, we can scale that down to 1 hour time frame of where we're going to end our analysis on the XY, because we should end on 1 day on 1 hour time frame, because most of the time we trade the London session and we are waiting to see how the Asian session will look like. Okay, so price is currently at price is currently at price just took out the liquidity upside, giving us signs of continuation in trend to the upside. So at this level, we can clearly see a nice fair value gap here and another one here, but I will be with this one to know because of liquidity below here. So if I'm to look for entries on dollar index tomorrow morning, I will stop loss here and I'll target this next level of liquidity here. So this is my plan. I want to see this guy come down here, that, and clear out the liquidity that's here. Now you need to identify where the liquidity is in the market. So I have my liquidity here. Then so this is my expectation for how I expect this guy to play from now till tomorrow. So having this in mind now, I go straight to get British Pound USD. I start to from the 1 week time frame. I remove all the drawings. And on the 1 week time frame, what am I seeing? On the 1 week time frame, I can see prices like in the downtrend. As you can see, we have a break of structure at the level, break of structure. So this is our swing high and our swing low. Now if I could take my fib from the swing high to the swing low. We currently see that price just past the 50%. That means price is playing around a premium area on a one week time frame, right? On a 1 week time frame, and we still have some signs that price could still get right up to this level, right? Price could still get right up to this level. There's some indication that price could still get right up to this level because we still see price doing what, printing a series of, you know, higher highs just to tell us that the trend is the momentum of the trend is still to the upside. Now, having this data on the 1 week time frame, I scale down to the 1 day time frame. Now, on the 1 day time frame, what I can see clearly here is, so I take out this fib. I say this is my swing high now. This is my swing high, and this is my swing low. This is my swing low. So currently, this was an area of demand for us because price is still in an uptrend, and on the 1 day time frame, so expect to see price, on the 1 day time frame, the higher trend, right? The higher view of this market is for this thing to continue from here. Dollars could be below here, 100 pips, targeting 480 pips. We'll see price heading to. But that is not what we're trading for. We're intraday traders, so we scale down to 4 hours. See the moves that are within the moves. So what happened here? What at the bottom we have a change in character here, and ever since we've been having a break of structures, break of structures, break of structures, right? Break of structures. Now I'll go to 2 hour time frame, expanding. Expanding. I will show you how we cut the signal for today on this trade on GU, and you can see here there's a nice fair value gap sleeping here. And now one thing is that when you have a fair value gap that is a fair value gap that is as big as this, what you need to do is you take the 50% of the fair value gap and trade it, right? 50% should be, yes, here. Yes, 50% of that fair value gap should be at that level. So around this level, we should be looking for entries around this level, where we expect price to do what? To come down here, go back to the upside, because remember, there is liquidity here, and considering on how the Asian session will look like, we expect to have our sales from here, targeting right up here. Right now, this is the trade we caught this morning. This is the trade we caught this morning. I'll take it down to 15 minutes. I still have a problem getting a premium version. My version just expired. So this morning in the community, we saw there was liquidity here. Let me go straight to 30 minutes. I saw that there was liquidity sleeping above here, and the analysis I shared in the community was to see if that liquidity has been taken out. Once we saw the liquidity taken out, we wanted to see. So there was liquidity here, right? There was liquidity here. Once I discovered I was taken out because I expected to see something to happen in the market like this. So I was waiting to see. The analysis I sent in the group was I expected to see. Expectation was to see something like this, come back, and then I have an entry around here, targeting the last low. And exactly once that happened, we scale to the 15-minute time frame, and I'll show you how we got this into this one. So when that happened, I saw this here, right? This was where I had a change in character after the limit had been taken out, and targeting this whole area was my area of interest of taking TP, of which a signal was shared in the community. Now, if you are not in the community, make sure you click the link below and join our community, right? So everything stop loss was here, and we had a 1:3.5 risk reward on that one. So this is how we keep it up with GU. You can use the same analysis and trade other currency pairs in the forex market. So this is the 15 minute. Now I'm going back to the 1 hour time frame, and I look at my expectation, what I expect to see from the market tonight, tomorrow after the Asian session. Now I know this is the last low that the market have printed, and this is the last high that the market has printed. So I expect to see what will happen at this area. So two things are involved. Remember, the market is in an uptrend, and there's a possibility that the market could come down here, start continual buying, right? Start continual buying. So because everything around here there's liquidity, so you need to identify where liquidity is sleeping, right? As a trader, you need to identify where there's liquidity. Because you have it like this, you need to identify where liquidity is sleeping, because there are stop bunch of stop loss sleeping below here. So if everything be equal, you can get an entry like this. So but tomorrow, after the exam session, we need to just wait and see what will happen when the market gets to our level. So we need to see what will happen during the Asian session. We need to see what will happen here, because now very soon accumulation will take place, and then we'll get the manipulation, we'll get the redistribution, and then the market will switch this direction. So we need to see what is going to happen with this. So this is keeping up with GU. Tuesday, the 23rd, Wednesday, the 23rd of August. And if you're new to this channel, please, I would like you to like and hit the subscribe button, because we are doing this every day at the end of the New York session, preparing for the next London session where we'll be trading British pound USD. So please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you on the next one. Marathon.